Hey, it's Chris, and today... Why is it so cold out here? So let me explain a little bit about what is actually happening right now. Daily Tech, this channel and this brand is growing, but it's not growing by accident or by luck. I cover lots of different companies and products here, but I've spent a lot of time lately talking about Apple products, and two products in particular, the Apple Watch and the iPad. People are nuts about these products. You can see it on Google Trends and in my stats. See, I have a vision in my head to make Daily Tech the channel on YouTube that people go to when they want to research buying an Apple Watch or an iPad. It's all part of my master plan to grow this channel to the 100,000, 1 million, and 10 million subscribers marks and beyond. I plan on covering the crap out of these two product categories because the thing is, everybody else, they cover it when it's brand new and not until the next launch. But there's all this time in between where people are still really interested in getting fresh content about the Apple Watch and the iPad. Now wait, does that mean that I'm only gonna be covering these two products for the rest of eternity? Well, no, not even close. I'm still gonna be covering the kind of stuff that you subscribe to this channel for, all kinds of tech. In fact, the next video is probably gonna be about unbelievably useful Android apps. But I am gonna use these two products to kind of establish a beachhead and attract the kind of user base that's going to enjoy my expanded content down the road. But there's a problem. If I'm trying to create the go-to place for information about living with these two products, then I'm going to need every different version of each of these products instead of just the one that I have of each, so that I can fully experience them and tell people what it's like and what they need to know. Let me interrupt you really quick just to explain what I mean when I say I wanna buy one of every Apple Watch and one of every iPad. So I'm not gonna buy every Apple Watch on earth, obviously, and I'm not gonna buy every single possible iteration of the Apple Watch and iPad either. What I'm gonna do is I already have the Series 3 that's GPS only, no LTE. So I wanna check out the stainless steel, I wanna check out the Nike, I also wanna check out the Hermes and the Apple Watch editions. On the iPad side of things, I have the 12.9-inch iPad Pro, so I wanna check out the 10.5-inch, the plain old vanilla iPad, as well as the iPad mini. All right, back to the video. I just wanted to see if you had them in stock. Oh, so both of those are just the Hermes? Okay, which ones do you guys have? Thank you. All right, so I didn't know this, but it's a good thing I called. They don't carry the watch edition or the Hermes edition, so basically the two expensive ones in the actual store. So I'm gonna have to order those online.
Wait, what's this guy even doing? Doesn't he know that to run a successful tech channel, you have to cover all the latest tech when it comes out, not be focusing on old tech that's been around for a while? That's not at all what MKBHD would do, or Lou, or Jonathan, or Austin, or Judd.
Yeah, I'm not trying to be any of those guys, who I definitely respect, by the way, but I'm just trying to be me and follow my own passions. I think this is a major life lesson. It took me a long time to figure it out, and sometimes I'm still figuring it out, but the very second that you stop trying to be like somebody else and start doing your own thing because it's enjoyable to you and you can't help yourself, that's the very second when you start becoming not only happier, but I think also more successful too. You have to do what gets you energized and what makes you feel fulfilled. And yeah, I think you could say that I'm definitely energized about the Apple Watch and the iPad, most Apple stuff in general, and tech in general. A couple of quick notes about today. First of all, the Apple experience. The store was great today. It was not very crowded, which doesn't always happen. I was probably in and out in under 10 minutes, like maybe even faster than that. It was really, really good. Second of all, I don't want you guys to think that I'm some moneybags rich YouTuber. That's not the case at all. This is not an everyday occurrence to me. I don't just go out and spend $5,000 on Apple stuff all the time. That's why this was such a special, fun, awesome, unusual day for me, and why I'm so excited, because I get to do something that I've only dreamt of, which is go buy every different kind of an Apple product. I got to do it for two different products. So yeah, I just want to be transparent with you guys. I'm not trying to show off some money or something. I'm just trying to share some of the business side of the business with you, and also just kind of let you guys experience this with me.
I've been waiting for this, yeah. It's been up on my mind. Oh, it's hard to resist. Feeling like one of a kind. 'Cause it's finally here. Finally, yeah, yeah. Oh, 'cause it's finally here. Finally,
All right, I guess that's pretty much it for this video, but if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to do so and turn on notifications. I know it's fun for me to be among the first few people to see a new video, so do that, and I'll catch you in the next video. Later.